ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into some skin care products. I know it's a different subject than the norm that your sis does. But if you're interested in hearing some of the products that I have been using, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into the video. Honey, skincare, okay? So, new year, new us. We trying to get our face right, body right, all the things right. And I decided to just show you all some of the products that I use day and night. And I don't want to overwhelm you all, okay? And so these are products that I use. Please consult with your dermatologist if you are not okay with using these products. I am not a professional, but I did want to give you all just kind of a peek into some of the things that I use and have been enjoying and wanted to let you know, okay? So let's start off with night, okay? You know the nighttime is the right time. That is one thing, my night routine I am focused on for this year in 2024. For your face, you just have to have some type of routine, right? So let me show you all my night routine, what I have been utilizing, okay? So one, I do double cleanse at night, okay? I have been using La Roche-Posay, okay? And this is the purifying foaming cleanser, okay? So this is what I use first at night. You can find this at Target, Target online. It might be in Walmart. I don't know. I got mine from Target. This is definitely a great product. And what I love about this is the lather.
You knew I was in here. You're a nasty common freak.
There's a naked linebacker in our shower right now.
I feel like when it gets on my face, it's like working in my pores and getting all the gook out. I love the way it feels on my skin. So this is, again, the first thing that I use at nighttime. Then, I know nobody's talking about her. I don't know. We were talking about her, then we stopped talking about her. Why we stopped talking about her? Anyway, you like, girl, who we talking about? We are talking about Miss Keys, okay? Soul Care. I used to hear about this product so much, and then it was like nothing. So after I go in with my La Roche-Posay, after I go in with this one, I go in with Keys, okay? Soul Care. I love this product, okay? I might not be a fan of some of the other products that are in the line, but the facial, this is the Golden Cleanser. I absolutely love this and this working together. Chef's kiss. Like, I love this. And again, I have more like sensitive skin. Sometimes it can be drying. I don't know, girl. Like, I have sensitive skin. Dry sometimes, not all the time. Either way, my skin is interesting. Anyway, this is really good and a great lather on top of this. So anyway, this is my double cleanse. I do that at night. Go in with that. And again, you can get this at Ulta, all right? Then I go in with a toner. So after I cleanse my face, get that all washed off, then I go in with a cleanser. And I have been using Oil Hendrix, and this is the Glow OH Dark Spot Toner. So I've been using this at night, okay? And again, I'm testing some things, so I've been using this at night, and it's really been really good. Now, I will say, I don't know if it's because it's new, I do get this kind of a little bit of a tinging sting. It's not overpowering, but I do get this a little sting with this product, okay? So let me know below, my professional skincare lovers. Let me know if a sting is okay or do I need to pass go. But I will say that, but it's not unbearable. Like, I'm not like, oh my gosh, my face is on fire. I'm not there. But I love that, you know, this toner. I love this. I don't mind this. But this is the toner I use at night, okay? Then let me tell you, okay, the thing that literally my skin wakes up feeling baby soft, like a baby's bottom, like new skin. This is the best product since Life's Bread. And it is a pretty penny. And I've ordered this directly from the company, but when I tell you it's worth it, it's worth it. I promise you, sis. When I tell you beautiful baby soft skin, trust when I say, look at my eyes, trust when I say baby soft skin, sis, okay? And that is none other than True Botanicals, okay? And this is the Pure Radiance Oil. I think you can get this on Sephora because I think this brand is also on Sephora, but I ordered this directly from the company site. This 30 ml bottle does miracles, okay? Miracles, signs, and wonders. It is amazing. I will repurchase this product and repurchase this product. That's why I just decided I needed to tell my family and do this video. I'm not a skincare girl, but like this one, I was like, family, do you know about this? And if you didn't know about this, why didn't you tell me about this early? This is chef's kiss. Trust me, get this product, get it. If you want baby soft skin, the first time you use this, get it, okay? Moving on. So next, after I use my oil, I want to put a cream. I would absolutely suggest never just use oil and then go to bed, sis. Nah, you need something to kind of seal the deal, okay, on your face. And what I would suggest, I'm going to take it back to Fenty. This is going to be a repurchase for me. I just got this, I believe, in the Sephora sale. You all have seen my haul. And this is the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. This will be in rotation all the time for me. This is amazing. My skin just has this glow afterwards. It's so refreshing. And this is an overnight recovery gel cream. So it is made for night and to put some recovery back in your skin. So when I tell you, you have this product, let me put that, honey, I wrapped it up. But when you have this product mixed with this recovery, it is amazing. I promise you. And again, I am not your skin guru, but when I tell you, I will tell you what works and what doesn't. And that, it works. Get it, okay? And last but certainly not least, okay, there are times that, you know, different days I use different creams. So there are times that I will use this firming night cream as well. And this is by Oil Hendrix too. So I go between this one and this one. I alternate, right? I don't always use an oil. I use my oils like 2 times right now out of the week. I'm gonna try to move to 3, but right now I have just used this oil twice out of the week. But what I have ended with is an eye cream. So I've been toggling between 2. So I've been using the Inky List, okay? And this is the brightening eye cream. I love this product. One is because this kind of like metal type of tip, it's like a cooling, kind of a cold type of product when it's on your under your eye. And so I feel like it like pushes up your eye a little bit. I don't know, it might be a lie, but I really love the cooling kind of set that this metal does. I don't know, but this is a great product, the Inky List for your dollars, okay? This is a very affordable, okay, product. This company is very affordable with their products. Anyway, so I've been toggling between that and then the Belief. I've also been using their moisturizing eye balm. So I've been kind of, toggling between them, but I have loved what I have seen thus far, and I'm just going to continue on, all right? Well, let's move to the daytime. If you're interested, I hope you are. Let's go. So for my daytime, of course, with anything, I don't have it here, but honey, use sunscreen as they suggest. Absolutely, towards the end while you have all your facial products, definitely, I don't have it down here, but use sunscreen. If you all want me to show you my sunscreen, I will. Maybe another video. Just let me know in the comments.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Anyway, I really take it easy in the morning with my skin because I do a lot more products and procedures type of thing. I get down in the dirty in the nighttime. In the daytime, I really kind of give my face maybe a little bit break. But what I have loved is Tatcha, okay? I want all of Tatcha, okay? I want the green one. I want the white one. I want all of Tatcha's products, okay? I love Tatcha, okay? A fan. Very much a fan. You have a fan in me. The rice wash is amazing, okay? These two products, okay, this is definitely every day, okay? I don't change up my daytime a lot. Maybe one day down the line I will, but I've really been just sticking with this. I might get another Tatcha product for the morning so I can go in between that. But if you have any morning products that you would suggest for your sis, comment down below, hook your sis up. I'm new to this. This is journeying. You're going to journey with me. Okay, come on in, family. Take a seat. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and, pop a seat. Stay a while. She cool. But if you have any other daytime products to suggest to me, I'm all ears. Anyway, I use Tatcha. So I use this in the morning. That's what I first start off with. And then I kind of go back and forth with toner, okay? So there are days that I use the Lancome, and this is the Comfort one in the pink bottle. This is like an old product, but clearly I need some more. I toggle between this and Fenty Skin, okay? And this is the Fat Water. I love the way this feels. I love the days I use this. It's amazing. So again, I like kind of, if I use this on Monday, then I'm using this on Tuesday. So I kind of go in between that. But it's worked. I, again, love this. I'm going to absolutely get a bigger bottle. I thought I was ordering a bit bigger bottle, but clearly I gotten. This was from Amazon. So I'm just going to get it from Sephora next time. Next up, I go kind of in between serums and different things, but I've been using the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and this is Oil Hendrickson again. So I go between this and the Glow Recipe Miss Popular. And this is the Dewdrops Watermelon Niacinamide. Like, I go in between this and this in the day. So, and then, okay, to wrap up my kind of facial is, of course, moisturizer. And you already seen the Tatcha product that I use, but I've also been using Belief, and I've been using the Brightening Vitamin C Cream, okay? They also have, I believe, like Aqua Bomb or something. That one's really good. But I've been using the vitamin C one, and I really have enjoyed just the way this feels. It's not as heavy as the Fenty one for the overnight. It's a little bit light, but it still gives me this glow. It gives me this fresh sensation kind of on my face. It just feels so good. It gives me this really good glow, and it seals like all the products that I use for that morning. I absolutely have been enjoying this. And so that is all. I wanted to keep it really simple, really basic. Again, new to this, so if you have any products that you would love to suggest to me, I would love to hear all your facial things because we are in the new year. We want a new glow, all new things on our face, right? We want to do better things to our skin than we were in 2023. So comment down below what I need to do. But I will say this, okay? I wanted to talk about a product at the end that I did not like. Okay, I saved it to the end because some of you all might like this product, and you might have turned me off by now, so I might not have everybody listening to me, and so I might not hurt the people's feelings that really like this product, right? And I hope you're still with me. Tula, hey girl, hey Tula, hey. I wasn't a fan, okay? Just for me, I wasn't a fan of this product, and this is the purifying face cleanser. You know, no, I rather do this one, okay? I rather that, but, and I will say, this is why. Okay, let me go to the why. The lather, I got no lather, and that's not to say, okay, let's go. I know that just because it has a lather, sis, that don't mean that it cleanses your skin. I get it, okay? I got you. But I like a lather. I like where I'm seeing like it kind of setting in and getting in, even if it's not a huge lather. I like to see like the product working. And this was like, it was lotion. It reminded me of lotion. It was on, and you like, oh, I put the facial stuff on, and then you wipe it off. I wasn't a fan, okay? So those that like this, great if it works for you. I didn't like it, and that's all I have to say. Make sure you subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.